What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how much I earn from using Brave browser, guys, including tips that I receive from people, guys. Okay, as you can see my balance here, guys. As you can see, my balance here is 7.36 bet, guys, and payout in progress, guys. Okay, the payout report is currently generating. Please check back later. Okay, as you can see, guys, my life service, guys, last deposit, guys, was 192, if I round off, guys, 192 bet, guys, and last deposit date 2022 April or March 12. Okay, as you can see, guys, I'm earning back from my channel, guys. Now let's go to come here, guys. Where is this? Okay, view statement, guys. Okay, loading. Okay, as you can see, guys, February I made 192 bet. On January 14th I made 156 bet. December 669 bet, guys. As you can see, it keeps on decreasing, guys. Yeah, that's how much I made, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace.